Hello, students. Today, let's talk about the future will. Okay? This is the topic. The future will. Pay attention. Okay, we use will to make predictions about the future. Listen again. We use will to make predictions about the future. Okay? In this case, we have to make sentences about the future. Affirmative sentences, negative sentences, yes, no questions, okay? And yes and no answers. Let's start with the first one. We have affirmative sentences using will. For affirmative sentences, you need the pronoun, you need the future will, and you need the verb, okay? In this case, I have the verb cook, cook. This is my sentence. I will cook. You will cook. He will cook. She will cook. It will cook. We will cook. They will cook. ¿Ok? ¿Qué significa? Si yo digo I will cook, en español significa yo cocinaré. Si yo utilizo el pronombre you y hago esta oración, you will cook, significa tú cocinarás. Si yo utilizo el pronombre he y hago esta oración, he will cook, significa él cocinará. Si yo utilizo el pronombre she y realizo esta oración, she will cook, significa ella cocinará. Y así sucesivamente puedo utilizar los pronombres y crear una oración usando will, ¿ok? Y usar el verbo que yo crea conveniente, siempre y cuando la oración tenga sentido y coherencia, ¿ok? Voy a utilizar otro verbo. For example, I want to use study, ¿ok? Study. So I can say, I will study English. Yo estudiaré inglés. You will study. Tú estudiarás. He will study. Él estudiará, etc. Okay? I want to use a different verb. Work. Okay? Work. Trabajar. For example, I want to say, she will work. Ella trabajará. We will work. Nosotros trabajaremos. They will work. Ellos trabajarán. Entonces, usamos el futuro will para hablar justamente de futuro. ¿Ok? Futuro. No olvides, esta es la forma correcta para emplear una oración. Pronombre, the future will, verbo, any verb. ¿Ok? Cualquier verbo. Cook, study, work, travel, have, etc. Okay? This is the affirmative. This is the affirmative. Now, in number 2, we have the negative form. For the negative form, we have to use won't. Okay? Won't. Won't is the contraction of will not. I'm going to repeat. Won't is the contraction of will not. Okay, this is the negative form for the future will. Won't is the negative form for the future will. Okay, el significado cambia a negativo. Okay, si yo creo esta oración, I will study, yo estudiaré, en la forma negativa, ya no voy a utilizar will, tengo que utilizar won't. I won't cook. Yo no cocinaré. Okay? I also can say, I will not cook. Okay? Depend on you. You can say, I will not cook or I won't cook. You can use different verbs. Study. For example, I can say, you won't study English. Tú no estudiarás inglés. Or maybe I can use the verb work. And I want to say, she won't work. Ella no trabajará. ¿Ok? Entonces, de esa manera voy a utilizar la forma negativa del futuro will. Recuerda, pronombre, negative form, la forma negativa de will, que es want, y el verbo. ¿Ok? El verbo que tú decidas para tu oración. Ahora, podemos usar los pronombres de esta manera. ¿Ok? I'll is a contraction of I will. You'll is the contraction or you will. He'll is the contraction of he will. She'll is the contraction of she will. It'll is the contraction of it will. Will is the contraction of we will. And they'll is the contraction of they will. ¿Ok? Tienes dos formas de utilizar el pronombre y el futuro will. ¿Ok? You can say I will or you'll. Now, in number 3, we have yes, no question. Using the future will. ¿Ok? Para realizar una pregunta, ¿ok? Yes, no question. Solamente va a variar la posición de will. Es decir, tenemos que colocarlo al comienzo de la pregunta. ¿Ok? Mira el ejemplo. Will you cook? Will he cook? Will she cook? Will it cook? Will we cook? Will they cook? Lo que acabo de decir son preguntas. He usado el mismo verbo, cook, que significa cocinar. Entonces, si yo digo, will you cook? Te estoy haciendo esta pregunta. ¿Cocinarás? ¿Ok? Puedes conjugar con otro pronombre, siempre y cuando la pregunta tenga sentido y coherencia. ¿Ok? Esta es la forma correcta para realizar la pregunta. Yes, no question. Will, the future will, the pronouns, and the verb. Don't forget the question mark. It's very important. Okay? If you want to make a question, you have to put the question mark. After the question, you have the answers, short answers, affirmative answers, and negative answer. Okay? For affirmative answer, you use yes. For negative answer, you have to use no. Okay? Listen. Will you cook? Yes, I will. Okay? Yes, you will. Yes, he will. Yes, she will. Yes, it will. Yes, we will. Yes, they will. They are short answers. Okay, affirmative answers. For negative answers, no, I won't. Negative. For negative, you have to use won't. Okay, won't. No, I won't. No, you won't. No, he won't. No, she won't. No, it won't. No, we won't. And no, they won't. Okay? For example, will you travel to Madrid? Affirmative answer, yes, I will. Negative answer, no, I won't. Listen. Will you make a cake for my birthday? Affirmative answer, yes, I will. Negative answer, no, I won't. Now, we have some examples. Example number 1, example number 2, example number 3, number 4, number 5. Example number 1, I will buy a new car. Okay, the verb is buy. I will buy. Yo compraré. A new car, un carro nuevo. In number 2, my friends will have a party. My friends will have a party. Okay, the verb have. The verb is have. In number 3, she will have vacation. She will have vacation. The verb is have again. In number 4, you won't sleep late. This is a negative sentence because we are using won't, the negative form of will. You won't sleep late. Tú no dormirás tarde. The verb is sleep. In number 5, this is a question, a yes/no question. Listen, will you run in the park? Affirmative answer, yes, I will. Negative answer, no, I won't. Will you run in the park? Yes, I will. No, I won't. ¿Ok? Ahora, vamos a realizar una corta actividad. Activity using will and won't. Will, affirmative, won't, negative. We use will to talk about the future. In the future, robots will speak. For example, this is an example using will. In the future, robots will speak. Now, negative form, won't. We use won't to write the negative of will. For example, I won't eat more cake tomorrow. Won't eat, no comeré. Okay? I won't eat more cake tomorrow. Affirmative, ya te expliqué el ejemplo. Forma afirmativa, affirmative, negative, interrogative. Okay? For example, will you travel? Will he travel? Will we travel? Will you travel? Will they travel? Okay? Complete the sentences using will. I will help you tomorrow. She will cook next week. I'm sure they will understand you. I think I will go camping this summer. Maybe I will bake some cupcakes later. We will win the match. You will be a doctor. The movie will start soon. They will study hard. He will call you. Okay, I'm going to repeat again. I will help you tomorrow. She will cook next week. I'm sure they will understand you. I think I will go camping this summer. Maybe I will bake some cupcakes later. We will win the match. You will be a doctor. The movie will start soon. They will study hard. He will call you. Entonces, no olvides cuándo utilizar will y cuándo debes utilizar want. We use will to talk about the future. Remember this word, future. For example, in the future, robots will speak. We use want to write the negative of will. For example, I won't eat more cake tomorrow. Okay? Perfect. We are going to stop here. We have to continue the next class. Okay? See you the next class. Bye-bye.